Yo, the E36 is looking mint right now. Yo, look at this. Look at this fucking shitty ass car. But go back to this. Look at this.
I don't know what you're talking. Your car's on stands.
Oh.
Push that engine bay detailer, brother. Oh, get that shit in all the grooves and ridges.
We are back with another video. We got the gentleman slaving away.
That's crazy.
Oh, he got the whole setup. This shit's not focusing. We got Daniel here from SHQIPEBOYS. I'll tag them down in the description. Today we're gonna be repainting the calipers of the GTI. We already got the material. You already know VHT. We got yellow. We're painting them yellow. We got the primer, the gloss clear. We chilling. We got to take off these two rims and continue.
Wheels, okay.
Bro, wheels and rims is the same thing.
Just wheels.
Why are you cutting my ass?
Nah, you gotta say wheels, bro. Wheels. Thank you.
Fine, bro. I'm sorry. Freaking E36 project car. We got the Mark 8 GTI over there.
Clapped out, clapped out. It's okay.
Clapped out, clapped out. 3 clapped out cars right now. Your thoughts on that, Daniel?
Shitbox Incorporated.
Yes, bro. That's our company name. That's our company name. These red calipers are chopped. These shits are from factory, so it's gonna be a completely different story.
The before and after is about to be.
Yeah, the before and after is gonna be nuts.
Unbelievable.
We got 2 Danny's in the crib. You got Danny number 1 over there, and you got Danny number 2 right here.
Nah, you're Danny number 1, bro.
Nah, you're Danny number
older.
1, bro. You're older.
What the fuck do you think this is? You think this is an engine bay?
It is.
Using our engine bay cleaner for our
No, this is fucking, it's engine bay cleaner, but it's degreaser as well, so this shit gets the job done.
Push that engine bay detailer, brother. Oh, get that shit in all the grooves and ridges.
Daniel, I can't kiss you right now.
Daniel, how we feeling right now?
We're looking good. We looking good, gentlemen. You know what I'm
That's
saying?
what I like to see.
We're playing with this garbage bag.
This is where we are right now. 3 of the 4 calipers are prepped. They're about to be ready for paint. That's the 2 fronts. Then we got the back. And now Daniel's just finishing up the final caliper. Starting it right now.
I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good about this.
That's what I like to hear. This is where we at right now.
like 2-3 trains.
Yeah, you're bugging. What the?
Okay, what train? The F?
F, E.
The whole gang is here, yo.
That's it.
R.
Who takes those? Yo, us coming up to upstate, Tallies is not gonna lie, yellow's gonna come out so nice.
Yeah. Yellow's always nice. I always like yellow for calipers. Yellow always looks nice.
Gotta do anything for the shots. Oh, Daniel, you look crazy right now doing this. From this angle?
Thank you, bro. Appreciate the kind words.
What are you doing for the perfect angles?
You always do. You gotta go over the top.
Man's arching his back for the angle.
Alright, so currently the calipers are on their 3rd coat of paint. They're drying right now. But we are currently trying to figure out the situation with the E36's headlights. We have these halo headlights. It's kind of dark, but we have these halo headlights. I just completely opened them up and restored them, like cleaning and whatever else, while we wait for the paint to dry. So we're completing 2 projects at once. How's it going, gentlemen?
Not coming at all.
Why?
Catastrophe.
You guys should know what you guys are doing, yo. We got the clear coat going on now. Looks crazy. Current time, 10:51. It's not gonna focus. 10:51 p.m. We got caught up with the E36. trying to fix the headlights. As you know,
Always some bullshit be popping
Always
up.
some
I
bullshit.
swear, bro.
we got 1.5 of the light done. But yeah, the calipers came out mint. This is the final coat of clear coat going on. And yeah, we in business. Next up, I gotta put these paddle shifters on. That's gonna be something separate. Time is currently 1:09 a.m. The calipers are completely done. I just finished taking off the plastic wrap and stuff. It's pretty dark over here, but yeah, calipers are completely done. Just gonna let them fully dry overnight. They look pretty awesome. Can't wait to put the rims on tomorrow to see how they look. The calipers came out pretty fat, and honestly, I'm very happy with them. Shout out to Daniel from SHQIPEBOYS on YouTube. I'll link him down below for sure. Let's see, let's focus this. Yeah, I'll link him down for sure down in the description, because he came in clutch big time. You already know we was working on his E36 as well. The E36 is fire, bro. It's gonna be it's definitely a project car, but when it's done, it's gonna be a crazy car. It's gonna be sick. It's gonna be. You guys will see it. You guys will most definitely see it. But yeah, all the boys are gone. It's just me in the workshop. Everyone dipped. We went out, ate some food, and that's it. Yeah, everyone went on their own ways, and tomorrow's another day. So we'll probably work on the car again tomorrow, do some other stuff. I think we should be doing these rims tomorrow, maybe tomorrow. It's a 50-50 chance that we do it tomorrow. And we got some other stuff to do on the E36. So yeah.
The calipers are dry. We're gonna let them cure for a little bit longer, even though it's been like a whole night. They came out very well. Very well. She's gonna look fat.
We back with the E36. Daniel, how we feeling?
Bro, I swear.
This is the 30th time I've asked you in this video how we're feeling.
I swear I put this shit on the wrong way.
Fucking bag.
That shit looks tough. Yo, the E36 is looking mint right now. Yo, look at this. Look at this fucking shitty ass car. But go back to this. Look at
I don't
this.
know what you're talking. Your car's on stands.
Oh. You're an asshole for that. It is the next day, actually. This is how we're looking so far. The calipers and the rims are done. Still not sure if it's going to be 2 separate videos or 1 video. But honestly, for a do-it-yourself, they didn't come out too bad. We do know what to do better next time when we end up doing these rims again. And then I also changed the paddle shifters. Not changed, but replaced, because one of the things broke. But yeah, that's how she's looking so far. Looks pretty awesome in my opinion. Yeah, that's big time. That's nice. That's what's up. Hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Appreciate you guys for sticking around. More things to come. There's more things we got to do in the GTI. That's in the next few videos.